Hey, this is Crypto Jimbo. I have a passive income opportunity for you here today, and it's in the crypto space. I have not abandoned DeFi. I'm just keeping it at arm's length, okay? But this is a new NFT from AJ and the EMP team. Again, one of my favorite teams. Love AJ to death. You see a picture of him right there. If he's putting his face on the NFT itself, that he believes in it, that it's going to do well. So let me just give some details on this. It's $250 per NFT. There's no maximum or minimum. They're looking to raise $500,000. The mint is going to be over on the 31st. There's 1,800 left to mint. It's on the BSC network, and this is going to be 1 year, and you get a 60% return. So that's 5% a month. Now you might say, hey, that's low for DeFi, for crypto. But basically what they're doing with this, they have a trader that's been doing very well for them. So EMP has a big treasury. I think it's up at $1.7 million right now. But obviously they don't want that money to just sit there. So they have a trader that's been using that money in trading and has been growing it. So what they're doing is this $500,000 that they're looking to raise, they're going to just put that into the trader. And the reason they're willing to give back 60%, so you pay $250 for your NFT, and then in 1 year, November of next year, you'll get $400. So that's a 60% return. But again, the reason they're willing to do that is because they are counting on the trader to make more than 5% a month on their trading, which he has done for many months. And they're using their treasury to collateralize this. It's basically debt that's collateralized by their treasury. So this would be much, much lower risk than most DeFi. There's still a significant amount of risk. Obviously, you're not getting 60% a year on no risk. Something could happen with their trader where they lose all their money. We've seen that happen before. It's not likely, but it is something that could happen. We talked about USDC depegging. There's all sorts of crypto stuff that could happen. But again, compared to the degen plays we usually get into crypto, this would be much, much lower risk for a lower return, 60% APR, but that's still going to be 10, 15 times what you can get if you just keep it in a bank account or something like that. So if you do need your money before the year is up, there will be a marketplace where you can put it for sale, but they will not be buying them back themselves for 1 year with the 60% APR after that. So there is an FAQ page. I'll leave a link to these. No maximum number of NFTs you can buy. They're going to be selling 2,000. They may do future runs of this if this works out well. The mint is going to be over October 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So you have just a few days here if you want to mint. The reward period will start November 1st. That's when you'll start getting rewards, but they're only going to pay out after that 1 year. So again, I've been looking for safer DeFi plays. I think this is on the safer side. Still not safe, okay? Don't mishear me. Do not take out loans to buy this NFT, please. But if you have risk capital allocated, you might want to put some in here, get that 60% over a year. Again, you put in $2,000, you get $3,120 after a year. So that's a pretty good deal. So if you want to mint, it's 250 USDC on the Binance Smart Chain, empbonds.com. I will leave a link to that. You get a cool NFT with AJ's face on it as well. Good looking guy. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Even if you're skeptical, love to hear that. Love to respond to your comments. Just be somewhat kind. Okay, I have feelings. They're not easily hurt, but they can be hurt. I'm a person. I bleed the same blood that you do. Gross. You get demonetized for talking about blood on YouTube. I don't know. We'll see. So anyways, appreciate you guys. Please hit like if you like this. If you like Crypto Jimbo, like the crypto plays, please hit like, and hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you.